Yeah.
Okay, clear me. No, I haven't given one.
You better not.
Oh yeah, that's the way.
Yeah, eat it. Take a bite.
Yum, yum, yum.
Mmm. Is that good?
There you go.
Mmm. Is that good? Heck yeah, she's like, I'm all about this. Mmm. Is that good? Yeah.
Huh? She's one-handing it.
Is that good cupcake? You like it?
I didn't put a whole lot of icing on there, Troy.
Just a little bit.
You can tell she hardly has any on her face.
Is that good?
It would have been better if you just given her a bowl of icing. I'm going to try to get her.
No, no, no.
Is that good?
No. Is that yummy?
Take a bite.
You're going to drop your cupcake there. Gonna let mommy have a bite. Mmm. Mmm.
Another bite?
Mmm. No, you can eat it. It's yours. You eat it. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. Oh.